Hi, girl. Hey. Hi. You want to play with your ball? Yeah. This right here, you want it? Hey. Can't throw with my left hand. Hey, you want it? Go get it. Go get it. Bring it back. Come here, Cricky. Come on. Bring it back. Hi. Really like that ball, don't you? What's so fancy about it? No, you don't know? It's just your ball. You want to see in the camera? You're so cute, you know that? That's the most you've meowed in like ever. Hi, cutie. I'm gonna throw it again? Yeah? Should I throw it again for you? Yeah? Okay, hang on. Here we go. Want it? Come here. Hey. Yeah, you want to catch that ball? Come on, girl. Bring it back. Hi. Hi. Can you meow again for me? No? You just want to play with the ball? Why do you like the ball so much? You don't know? Alright, last time. Ready? You want to go downstairs with it? You got to bring it back. Ready? Come here. Go get it. Come here, Crick. Hi. You did a good job. Where are you going with it? What? Hey. All right. Come here. Come on. You're the silliest little kitty. Yeah, you are.